So the technician is here doing a fantastic job. Just asked him about how long it would take. It's about 40 minutes. Man, they got this down to a science. Look at that. Nice table. Got the heater disconnected. Yeah. So, man, just very pleased so far with everything. So, really working out good. Thanks for watching. So another phase of glass removal is the use of this tool. Very cool tool. It's right up there. And what it does is it puts a piece of string around there, and then it just kind of pulls it through. The technician did say it's kind of hit or miss. Some of the times the glass will come out without cracking, hit or miss. So if you think you're going to try to do it yourself with a Harbor Freight tools and get that glass out for some reason and reuse it, if you had corrosion, most likely you're going to crack the glass. Even with this great tool, the technician has said that hit or miss on cracking it. And now we go cranking. There you go. It starts cranking, and what it does is it just pulls that piece of string. Obviously, it's probably Kevlar or something like that, very strong. And you're just watching it there. He guided the string in there and just cutting that sealant right out with a piece of string. Awesome. Great design. So now we've got the specialized arm suction cup to the driver's side window. It gives him the leverage, and a one-man job. Just put sealant on with a battery-operated sealant gun, so it gets nice controlled amounts where it needs to be. So just moving right along, man. I'm amazed at how fast this is going, and just really high quality. Nice bead there, all uniform. So he's going to go in great. So you can see he pre-mounted the glass on a suction cup. He just put that in the holder, and now there it is. It's a single man maneuver. Precision. Let's keep quiet here, Kevin. Okay, sets it right in the sealant. Artist. Okay, we were just talking and kind of chatting about the ability to lay that glass one time. You only get one time. And, you know, the technician was even talking about breathing and the ability to stay calm and keep the heart low. So, yeah, you know, just watch him lay it right up there like it's nobody's business. So that's what 3 years experience gets you. And just doing some of the final touches. And he did comment that, you know, the trim is just the trim. The sealant, that urethane that he laid on there is truly what seals that thing in there. It looks beautiful. So